Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a keystone correction on your XIAOMI Smart L1. First, click on the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings and now find Projector. Then go to Keystone Correction, and now you can execute an auto keystone correction. You can also enable or disable keystone correction, the automatic keystone correction. Now you can also change enable or disable easy view, which will automatically adjust the projected image to avoid obstacles if you have any obstacles, and easy fit to automatically adjust the projected image to fit the screen. Although you'll need to have like a screen for it. Now I'm gonna be doing a manual keystone correction here, and you can see we are in it now. Now select the corner using the up, down, right, left buttons. Select the correct corner that you want to adjust first. Click on the OK button. Now you can click on the buttons, the up, down, left, right, to move that corner. I'll move it all the way to the outside. Now let's go with the second corner at the bottom. You can see how it is corrected. I'll go back to the one at the top to slightly get it smaller. I think that looks fine now. Yeah, I believe it's fine now. Now let's move on to the next corner right here. And I don't really think we need to do anything here. Let's move to the last one and bring it towards the center. And now I think it's quite great. Let's go back. You can also reset if it was badly done, and it is finished. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.